Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be buying 2 more stocks in my Magic Formula investing portfolio. Once we've done that, I'm going to show you the previous 14 stocks that I've purchased and how they're performing. Let's go! So this is now month 8 of me buying 2 stocks every single month using the Magic Formula stock screener. Now, I'm not going to go through in great detail about this challenge that I'm sort of partaking in. What I'll do instead is put a link to the first ever video I made in the top corner that explained what the challenge is all about, what the screener was all about. So maybe go and watch that video first if you're new to this channel. For those of you that have watched these updates before, you'll know exactly what I'm doing. So first of all, we're going to head over onto the screener, find the 2 stocks that we're going to be buying this month and go on to Trading 212 and buy them. So we're on the screener. As always, we're going to set the market cap to 300 million. Again, if you watched the first video, you'll see why I chose that, and we'll hit get stocks. It throws out all the stocks which it believes are good value buys, and every month I'm buying 2 stocks with £50 into each company. The 2 companies that I've decided to buy in this month's update is Block H&R, their ticker symbol is HRB, and then Omnicom Group, their ticker symbol is OMC. Now, before I move over onto Trading 212 to buy the stocks, you may be asking, why the hell are you doing this, Gary? Basically, the creator of this stock screener claims that the stocks that the screener throw out could outperform index funds. Now, as a massive index fund fanboy, I was very keen to test the strategy, see if it can beat index funds, and I'm sort of secretly hoping it doesn't, as I'm such a big fanboy for index funds. But every month we're trying out, we're buying 2 stocks, and we're going to see where it goes. This is month 8. Let's go on to Trading 212 and buy the stocks. Okay, so I'm now on Trading 212. You can see that I've already got the £100 available to purchase this month's stocks. We're going to hit search and find the 2 companies. So the first one, the ticker symbol was HRB. There they are, H&R Block. Let's hit that. We're going to buy, and we're going to make sure value is selected, and we're going to choose £50. So £50 will buy us 3.531 shares. We're going to hit review order, make sure everything's correct, and hit send by order. There we go, order executed. Now let's go back to the search and find the next one. The next ticker symbol was OMC. Omnicom Group, there they are. So again, we're going to hit buy. We're going to hit £50 worth of value, which buys us 0.98 shares. We're going to hit review order, make sure we're happy with everything, and again hit send by order. All done, order executed. So that is now stock 15 and stock 16. Let's see how the previous 14 stocks have performed so far. So now let's move over onto my laptop, onto a spreadsheet I created that's tracking how the stocks are getting on. The first stock I purchased in the very first month was Biogen. From the £50 I invested, it's currently worth £44.39. Now so far this is an overall loss of 11.22%. The next stock I purchased in the second month was Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Again, as always, I invested £50. It's currently worth £39.27. That is a loss of an awful 21.46% so far. Now that first month was especially bad, and both of these companies had very bad news come out about them just after I purchased the stocks. Now this is one of the bad points of buying individual companies rather than whole funds. In the second month, the first stock I purchased was Discovery. £50 has already become £119.12, which is an incredible growth of 138.24%. Next up was Hewlett Packard. £50 has so far become £71.43. I have received a dividend for this one of 41p, which I was unable to reinvest due to it being below the minimum amount. So the total return, including the dividend, is 43.68%. On to month 3. The first stock was Cisco Systems. £50 has so far become £54.54. Again, it's received a dividend of just 37p, so again, it can't be reinvested. And so far, it's up 9.82%. The second stock of month 3 was Weight Watchers. £50 is now £63.99. For any of you that are watching these updates regularly, you will see Weight Watchers gone up and down and up and down. At one point it was really up, and then last month's update it was only just sort of breaking even almost. It's gone back up again at the moment, and it's up 27.98%, which is fantastic. Month 4, the first stock I purchased was Buckle. £50 has so far become £75.66. I've received a dividend on this one of £3.41, which, as you can see, there's the yes in the box as I have reinvested that dividend. Total return so far, including the dividend, is 51.32%. The next stock was renewable energy. £50 has so far become £72.74. That is a return overall of 45.48%. Next up was Fox. £50 has become £54.90, which is a return of 9.8%. Then I purchased Viacom. £50 has now become £88.76. I have received a dividend on this one of 28p, and including the dividend, the total return is 78.08%. Next up was Best Buy. £50 has become £49.27. That is a loss so far of 1.46%. Next up was Turtle Beach. £50 has already become £69.28. They're up 38.56% since I purchased them. Then I purchased Barrett Business Services. £50 is now £54.26. That is a return overall of 8.52% so far. And then finally, the last stock I purchased last month was Endo International. They were doing very well, but unfortunately they've had a drop recently. £50 is now only £43.13, which is a loss overall of 13.74%. So now looking over on the right hand side of my spreadsheet, since I started this experiment I've invested £700 of my own money. Currently that £700 is now worth £901.80. That gives me overall growth of 28.83%. Next up, let's move over to my other spreadsheet. So this spreadsheet reminds me when I need to sell the stocks that I've purchased. So for any of you that haven't watched video 1, basically all the stocks need to be sold after a year of being held unless they still appear on the stock screener. So you can see I've added today's 2 new stocks with the date that I purchased them and also the date that I've got to now sell them. So the magic formula is performing quite well at the moment. It's almost 29% up in 7 months, which I can't believe it's doing so well. It'll be very interesting to see how it's performing in another year or so's time, and I will definitely be continuing with the magic formula updates as I know they're proving to be quite popular on the channel. If you wish to see how this month's 2 new stocks are performing along with all the others I just showed you, don't forget you can hit the subscribe button below. If you enjoyed watching along on today's video, can I just ask you hit that thumbs up? I know it seems like a tiny gesture, but it really helps a small channel like mine grow and reach new people. Apart from that, I hope to see you on another video very soon. Take care, guys.